Hej allihopa! In this video we're going to learn how to talk about the weather in Swedish. Låt oss börja! Hej, jag heter Mark.
Och jag heter Lovisa.
And you're watching Coffee Break Swedish. In this video we're going to be answering a question from our listener Bert, who wants to know how to talk about the weather in Swedish. Lovisa, it is the go-to topic, isn't it?
It is. It really is.
The perfect way to make conversations and basically practice your Swedish. So we'll start by looking at some simple phrases, things like it is warm, it is cold, and so on. So let's take it away, Lovisa.
Yeah. So if you want to say that it is warm outside, or just it's warm, you say det är varmt.
Okay, so let's see this again. Det är varmt.
Yeah.
Okay. What else could we use? Using the same construction, what else could we say?
You can also say det är kallt.
Det är kallt. Okay, so det är kallt. Double L there. Okay, det är kallt.
Yeah. And you can say det är mulet.
Det är mulet. So what would mulet be?
That's when it's a bit grey outside.
Yeah, so kind of overcast, grey.
Yeah,
not
exactly.
So nice. Okay. What about cloudy?
Molnigt.
Det
Så det är molnigt.
är molnigt.
Yeah.
Like that. Okay. Det är molnigt. That's not a very straight eye. There we go. Okay. So let's go through these ones. So it is warm.
Det är varmt.
It's cold.
Det är kallt.
It is grey or overcast.
Det är mulet.
And it is cloudy.
Det är molnigt.
Okay, what about it's raining?
Then you change the construction, so it's det regnar.
Okay, so we've got det regnar. So det
Ja.
regnar. Let's hear that again.
Ja. Det regnar.
So it is raining. Det
Ja.
regnar. Okay, let's try another one.
Det blåser.
Oh, right. Okay, so this is... I like this one because in English we don't really say this. We don't say it's winding, but that's kind of what we're saying in Swedish here. So it's blowing. Det blåser.
Exactly. You can also say det snöar.
Okay, I think we can guess that one. Det snöar.
Yeah.
It's snowing.
Yeah. And then you can say something completely different as well, but it's also a verb. So when the sun is shining, you say solen skiner.
Okay, I like this one because we can practice our h sound as well.
Yeah.
Solen skiner. Okay, so we've got an SK there.
Yeah.
Solen skiner. Let's go through all of them. So, first of all, it's warm.
Det är varmt.
It's cold.
Det är kallt.
It's grey.
Det är mulet.
It's cloudy.
Det är molnigt.
It's raining.
Det regnar.
It's blowing or windy.
Det blåser.
It's snowing.
Det snöar.
And my favourite one, the sun is shining.
Solen skiner.
Okay. Well, there you have it. Hopefully, Bert, that's helped you talk about the weather in Swedish. Now, of course, there's lots more, and we've got a lesson on weather coming up in Coffee Break Swedish very soon. But if you have a question like Bert, then do get in touch. You can simply email swedish@coffeebreaklanguages.com, and we'll hopefully be able to answer your question in a future episode. If you'd like more videos like this and you're watching on YouTube, then make sure you subscribe to this channel, and that way you'll be able to follow all the videos that we post, and click the little bell icon that appears as well, and that way you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. For now, tack så jättemycket, Lovisa.
Tack så mycket, Mark.
Hej då!
Hej då!